Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I've seen a few people on the channel saying that the Patch Tuesday updates have failed. And when I'm looking at the background noise, which I usually look at to see how it's going, there doesn't seem to be any problems that are standing out right now. If it's like last month in the month of July, updates went pretty well. Nothing major happened. So these look like they are also like that. But it could happen for some reason that the update isn't going well. So I'm sharing with you guys the Microsoft Update Catalog download page. So if you're on Windows 11 and it didn't install well, you've got the update that is downloadable from here. It's a pretty big package, but at least you can get it from here. So all you have to do is get the KB 512 1003 update and make sure that you choose the correct one for x64 based machines. So this is the security update. So this one here is for ARM. This one here is for 24H2 based machines, 25H2 x64 based machines. So these are the two that you will probably want to check. If you have 24H2, this one, 25H2 is this one. And you also have the Windows 10 update for the month of August that I will share. So both links will be in the description below. On this one, all you have to do is get the x64 based version 22H2 if you want it, or if you're not on a 64 bit computer, there's the x86 update for version 22H2 that is available. So just check that out and manually install it. Oftentimes, when they don't work through Windows Update, they often work manually. A suggestion that I have is that you go and to the start menu and you click the power button and do a restart. Once again, don't shut down and then press the power button. Do a restart. It's different. Once you restart it, go to the links for Windows 11 or Windows 10, depending on which machine you are updating, and then manually download and install this update. And chances are it's going to work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.